Just a life of a...
Yeah, what style man for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton and I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean I say yo, alright, that's the artist and the baddest review them man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Viewers and subscriber, who go over Shemdon Vivo yet? Shemdon drop a song titled Life of a Choppa 2 days ago, viewers and subscribers. More want to know if you go over in Vivo right now, viewers and subscribers. The song titled Life of a Choppa. Humble clad, viewers and subscribers. I saw when you know saying a chopper, you know. I work with people, you know. And them a come deal with us so we, you know. And you know say you chopper, you know, roast your work, and you see say you where you work for. No, nah, you nah see where you work for. Yeah, you have an attitude. Your attitude I go rank, your attitude I go bad towards the manager or the owner of the establishment where you're working. You see what I say? And my vision for this music video and this song overall, viewers and subscribers, I give me that the push that you know say, yo, you're no boss for me. You see me? Yeah man, cause in the idea, you know, you could change me there, I kill out myself and I take it disrespect for what you give me, you know man. Me I tell you say, yo, we can touch a line like so and make it back in a second. And that the artist a show me. And that the
Thing that a everyday thing. Fire West no join no long way.
and subscriber. I not like how I deal with the artist because the artist are put in some nice work, some good song artists are put out there, some nice video. And not grow the artist fan base. I not like how the artist still there 12k. Artists we had clap 150k subscriber right now. Because the artists have song way out there where fuck up the players, viewers and subscribers. You see me, and a long time the artists have put you in the work and you not give the artist the support. Same like how you not give Soji TV Entertainment the support and we been a put you in the work. So what else you know what we do? So you see say the work are put in. Yo, we have to big up the people them you know say like we vice the artists, you know. Mix and master it, you know. You know the thing go, all the video man we make you edit the video and them thing there, you know. Bad, you know. You see what I say, all the people them in a video, we make the video sell off. Uno is start from, you know, cause if Uno never in a video, and Uno never come with the style, and the video man never deal with the thing the right way. You would have a good music video like this for you watch, and good song for you listen. So you have to big up them the people the same way. And now once Maddy, you have to big up. You have the artist we are putting in the main work because without the artist voice, they have rhythm and beats and engineer and that now go nowhere. You see me? So you have to give the artist them the support because sometimes the artist them can relate it to what you go through. You see what I say? And you can relate to it and ease the stress. So while you can make the artist ease for them stress by supporting the artist and share up in thing. You see me? Subscribe to the thing, let some comment, you know the thing go. Keep the artist page active. When you not deal with the artist good. I mean I like that. And that song you bad no bumbo clad. You hear me I tell you? Yeah man, because we out here and most of the young youth nowadays, them youth they want to work for themselves, them don't want to work for nobody. And some of them boss nowadays I take disadvantage of you through them they on a higher scale of you, them feel like so them can deal with a certain way. Viewers and subscribers, I make on a listen piece of my song, you know, because you don't know say we there and we are doing the right thing. I would have liked to get the acknowledgement. You see praise, so watch now, listen to what artist I say.
Right wanna do a transact to me, David. Who's woman say like him sense.
Your style, your flow, your clarity, viewers and subscribers. Come on, man. I lyrics, the artists are jumping us, so nobody listen, you think them we must say, and I say, oh, and that you know down here do one rave. A lyrics, the artists are saying a road. Cops pull me over, we tell them a lyrics. So you can't see Soji TV Entertainment there, so. And I review artists them where artists them I say, I no one go running for Soji TV Entertainment. That's why me I support this and me I support that. And music me love and music me I support viewers and subscribers. So if you love what me I do, you support Soji TV Entertainment same way because they are do something constructive. And everybody can do this what me I do. And everybody can see on before a phone or a mic or a recording and talk. And just a talk and write down anything. So you have to give it the homage in this thing, cause you don't get crown, which far you from, And people out there always go no crown, or give it crown, You see me? And we don't like that. You're supposed to can crown your artist or your vlogger or your comedian in your area, make them feel love from them area. So when them go here, them confident in themselves. If we not get the love from within the area, oh, we have to feel confident in ourselves. We go out there and show the world what we have and what we can do. Support the ghetto youths them because we there here, we have talent. Jamaica is a big country. Small, but it big. If you understand. Because we have a lot of hidden talent here. We have a lot of potential here. And skillful person. When I get the highlight and the artists are putting in the work and the artists are big up the people them where most of them are work for themselves and most of them are get them look much and thing. A song artist, a sing artist now do it in a real life. You see me? And if the artist can find them the lyrics and put it in a song viewers and subscribers, it's a good artist. You know if he can, you see me, relate to things. And that you want in a dancehall more while because if you can relate to the things that will happen and if bigger heads can hear what really are going on can make a difference to it. That is it, Sometimes you have to think about some things to make the government them see what is going on and make them can make a changes to it and try to help out the youths them. Because we there here and we need help in Jamaica and we need strength. There's so much artists there here and artists them now get the breakthrough. Soji TV Entertainment there. I go and work with some artists when I really get the breakthrough yet. But me I tell you say it's not easy. It's not easy. The road not easy, but we there go and hold it see me and believe in ourselves and believe in our artists them because the artists them will be consistent and that make we can be consistent, same way viewers and subscribers. So we just want the support. You see me? I'm gonna love guys to go by artist Vivo and make him know say me sending over there. Go and go show him some love viewers and subscribers. That's all we need. You see me? Yeah man, some support so we think can grow and the mind and the craft can, you see me? Go out there. Someone want to know if you have a productive day and support the artists, them viewers and subscribers. Soji TV Entertainment. You see me? Appreciate you all.
Papa ni pavement, pan the zelly. Big dirty Glock for me.